I will be sharing with you the different outfits I usually use in hiking. By the way, choosing the right clothes in hiking in different seasons is very important for me. So here's are some of the combination of clothes I use during hiking. During summer, I only wear Merino Protect Wool Classic Short Sleeve T-shirt. Surprisingly, it keeps me really cool during hot weather thanks to its temperature regulating properties. And I partner it with hiking short which is very comfortable to use, and Merino Protect wool socks that is also very cool to wear. What I like about it is that I never smell bad wearing it even if I sweat a lot because of hot weather, simply because it is odor resistant. And during cold season, I usually wear Merino Protect Classic All Season Base Layer, or this merino long sleeve half zip top which keeps me warm especially when hiking on winter, which I partner with down jacket and hiking pants especially on snowy days. I can also use it multiple times since it is odor resistant. I don't need to worry about my smell anymore. I also partner it with a hat or merino wool beanie to keep my head warm all day and all night. I prefer this set of clothing especially for multi-day hikes because I don't need to bring a lot of clothes and they are very lightweight and very eco-friendly since it is made of real merino wool. And that's it. See you on my next hike. Bye-bye!